Ready to unlock a world of seamless shopping, both at home and abroad, with your Revolut card? First, ensure your Revolut card is activated in the app if it's brand new. You'll typically need to make your first transaction with the physical card and PIN at an ATM or point of sale. When paying in a shop, simply insert your Revolut card into the card reader. The machine will prompt you to enter your 4-digit PIN for verification. For smaller purchases, you can usually use the contactless payment option. Just tap your card on the terminal where you see the contactless symbol. Note that there's often a limit to how much you can spend contactlessly before needing to enter your PIN. Keep track of your spending in real time in the Revolut app. You can also freeze your card instantly if you misplace it, and unfreeze it when you find it for security. One of the best perks of Revolut is its ability to convert currency at excellent exchange rates when traveling. Pay in the local currency with your Revolut card for potentially huge savings compared to using a traditional bank card. Just make sure the payment terminal is configured for the local currency if given a choice. So, go ahead and enjoy the convenience and security of your Revolut card while shopping. It's your smart travel companion for payments. Don't forget to subscribe for more Revolut tips and tricks.